basic marker strokes, okay? Now, yung marker strokes natin will be, this one you call this side-to-side strokes, where basically it is equivalent to your flat wash, okay? And then you have graded strokes, and then streaks or streakings. Now, streakings actually, you use this every time you, this one, two-dimensional, and then you have 3D here. You will practice first here yung mga basic marker strokes, and then you do it here based on light source, okay? Now, this one will have to be, this one is side to side, side to side. Ay, pala. So this is side to side here. And this one. Okay, this is graded stroke, graded stroke, graded stroke, streakings. Okay? So you have, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay? So ito, for these boxes, ito, for this, and then this one is the streakings. Now here, this is your light, and this is your dark. So dark or light, okay? This one, your highlight will be somewhere at the center. So dark, going highlight, dark, going highlight. So like that. Ito naman, you will make it diagonal. So this is dark, dark, going highlight there at the center. So your highlight will have to be diagonal. Okay? Okay, so. Now, since this is your first time to do or to use markers, we will be doing some masking. Okay. This is your, you buy this one also. This is a magic tape. Frosted siya. Okay. Do not buy yung mas manipis, yung makapal. Yung ganito. Now, fold one end of the tape. Like that. Para when you peel it off, hindi mahirap tanggalin. Okay. And then you put it on the side. And then press this one. Sometimes kasi, if you don't press this hard, yung magsisip through yung ink. So you need to press it hard. Now we will put another one on the side. Now, if you can do away with the tape, it is fine for me, but mahirap mag-control. Okay, and then accumulate on the side, and before you knew it, it has to through it. So, you start on the tape, you end on the tape. Okay. Now, it is fine if you have those lines there, because that is expected of markers. You can do away with the line if you do it like this. Walang linya yan. The only problem is makakonsumo yan sa ink. Kasi unlike this one, this is just one stroke at a time. And then plus, syempre may tape tayo dyan, di ba? Kakaganunin yung maaning luman. Okay? So you may remove this now. And then you have a very, an exact. Next, you do this here. Now, this is a longer stroke, diba? If you do a longer stroke with free hand, medyo gaganon yun. So, pwede mong ibalik na yan. Okay. Para you have the shorter stroke.
So, pwede mong recycle ng tape?
Yes. As long as you are actually using the same color. Okay? Because pag nag-mix yan dalawa,
pwedeng mag-ano?
Oo. magbe-blend yan at before you knew it, ano na siya, iba na kulay niya. But if it is a different color, you might as well use another tape. We'll be using the same color. Okay. This one, by the way, for the meantime, actually you have a blender. This one is a blender. We use this to do blending, to come up with braided stroke. This time we will not use this one first, but we will use our cotton buds and alcohol. So, braided stroke, you start you make a few side-to-side strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will end it there. And then you have another 1, 2,
3. Stop.
1, 2. Stop and then there. Now, of course, we can make this more finer by blending it. Now, when you blend, you start from the bottom, going down, but do not put too much alcohol. Ngayon, when you blend from the bottom, from the light going dark, and then when you blend, you exert pressure from the bottom, and then when you go up, you release the pressure. Parang we are actually erasing, and then when you go up, you release. So parang konti lang yung na-erase. Yeah, well, yeah, to make it darker, and if you're not contented with the
Para mas graded ang
mas graded
effect.
effect. Then you just let it dry before you blend. So, sorry. Sobrang big na yung white pencil. Ngayon,
Cute.
ngayon,